Okay, now this stave I have tapered, I've bandsawed, and I've bandsawed to these shapes, and I bandsawed with a 75-degree angle, so there's a bevel there that you can see, but it's just hand bandsawed, and it needs to be trued up. When I use a little block plane here to do this, I just stick that in a vise, and I kind of get an angle back here, feel a good angle, and then just clean that up until it's smooth all the way. Let me tighten this up a little bit. I've got a little dip there in the middle, which is not going to work very well. So I'll just work it until I get rid of that area right in here. There we are. That's good enough. Then I just turn that over. I'm going from uphill to downhill, tapers in that way, so that helps the plane cut. There, I've got a clean cut there. So this now is ready to put back into the other 11 staves, and I'll do a trial assembly.